Before we start, I want you to think about something. Every time you open a website, click a button, scroll a page, or submit a form, something is reacting to you. That reaction is not HTML. It's not CSS. It's JavaScript. In this video, I'll explain what JavaScript really is, how it's used in the real world, and why learning JavaScript in 2026 is still one of the best choices for beginners. If you are completely new to programming, don't worry. This video is made for you. And before we continue, type beginner in the comments so I know who I'm talking to. So what exactly is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that controls logic and behavior on websites. HTML builds the structure, like walls and doors. CSS handles design, colors, layout, animations. But JavaScript decides what happens when users interact. When you click a button and something opens, that's JavaScript. When a form validates your input, that's JavaScript. When content changes without reloading the page, that's JavaScript again. Without JavaScript, the modern web simply wouldn't exist. Quick question, have you ever built a simple website using only HTML and CSS? Type yes or no in the comments. Many beginners think JavaScript is only used inside the browser. That was true many years ago, but not anymore. Today, JavaScript runs in browsers, on servers using Node.js, inside mobile applications, and even in desktop software. That means you can build websites, APIs, mobile apps, and desktop apps using the same language. This is why JavaScript is so powerful. You learn it once, and you can apply it in many different directions. If you're just starting out, this flexibility is a huge advantage. So tell me, which one sounds more interesting to you right now? Front-end, back-end, or both? Let's talk about what JavaScript can actually do. JavaScript allows your website to respond to users in real time. It can listen for clicks, keyboard input, mouse movement, and gestures. It can send requests to servers, receive data, and update the page instantly, without refreshing. This is how modern applications work. Apps like YouTube, Facebook, Google Docs, or online dashboards rely heavily on JavaScript. Anytime a website feels smooth, fast, and interactive, JavaScript is doing the heavy lifting. What's one website you use every day? Comment its name and think about how JavaScript might be used there. You might be asking yourself, why should I learn JavaScript now, in 2026? The answer is simple. JavaScript is still the foundation of modern web development. Every popular front-end framework like React, Vue, or Angular is built on top of JavaScript. Even new tools and technologies still rely on JavaScript fundamentals. So when you learn JavaScript, you're not learning something temporary. You're learning a core skill that stays relevant. Are you learning JavaScript mainly for a job, freelancing, or personal projects? Type one word in the comments. In 2026, JavaScript is more powerful than ever before. It's used to build real-time applications, cloud platforms, AI-powered interfaces, and serverless systems. Some people say JavaScript is dying, but that's usually said by people who don't actually work in the industry. The truth is, JavaScript keeps evolving, but its core concepts remain the same. Once you understand the basics, learning new frameworks becomes much easier. Have you ever heard someone say JavaScript is dead? If yes, type heard it in the comments. Learning JavaScript opens many career paths. You can become a front-end developer focusing on UI and UX. You can become a back-end developer working with servers and APIs. Or you can become a full-stack developer doing both. JavaScript developers are in high demand worldwide, including remote and freelance jobs. This makes JavaScript a strong skill for long-term career growth. Where do you see yourself in the future, working locally or remotely? Comment your answer below. One common fear beginners have is thinking JavaScript is too hard. The good news is, JavaScript is one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages. You don't need a complicated setup. You don't need a powerful computer. You can start directly in your browser and see results immediately. That instant feedback helps beginners stay motivated. If you feel nervous or overwhelmed right now, that's completely normal. If you've ever been scared to start coding, type me too in the comments. In this tutorial series, we'll start from absolute zero. We'll cover JavaScript basics, variables, functions, conditions, and logic step by step. More importantly, we'll focus on understanding how things work, not just memorizing syntax. I want you to build confidence, not just copy code. If you want to learn JavaScript in a clear and practical way, Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. If you've watched this video until the end, you're already doing better than most beginners. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to rush. You just need consistency. In the next video, we'll write your very first JavaScript code together, step by step. If you're ready to begin this journey, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "Let's code" below. I'll see you in the next lesson.